Welcome to this video on Tourism Administration and Management PYQ December 2023 Part 1. In this session, we will discuss important previous year questions to help boost your preparation for the UGC NET Tourism exam. If you appreciate my effort, please share this video, like it, and show your support by leaving a valuable comment. Your feedback truly encourages me to keep creating helpful content for your success. Without further delay, let's get started. Painting of Allahabad Fort drawn by William Hotz is preserved in 1. National Archives of India, New Delhi. 2. The Victoria Memorial Museum, Calcutta. 3. National Museum, New Delhi. 4. British Museum, London. Answer 2. The Victoria Memorial Museum, Calcutta. Chaitya Bhumi or Dr. Babasaheb Bhim Rao Ambedkar Mahaparinirvan Memorial is situated in the city of 1. Nagpur. 2. Pune. 3. Mumbai. 4. Satara. Answer 3. Mumbai. Answer 3. Indian Institute of Advanced Study, IIAS, is located in the Viceroy Lodge, Shimla, which is now known as 1. Secretariat of Himachal Pradesh Government. 2. Rashtrapati Niwas. 3. Viceroy's House. 4. Governor's House. Answer 2. Rashtrapati Niwas. Answer 2. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Memorial Museum is located in Moti Shahi Bagh, Ahmedabad. Who built the Moti Shahi Bagh? 1. Khusro. 2. Shah Jahan. 3. Dara Shukor. 4. Aurangzeb. Answer 2. Shah Jahan. Answer 2. Which is not one of the 4 basic physical elements of transport system identified by Cooper, C. et al. 2001. The way. 2. The terminal. 3. The carrying point. 4. The accessible terminus. Answer 4. The accessible terminus. The 4 basic physical elements of transport system identified by Cooper, C. et al. 2000. 1. Infrastructure refers to the physical framework necessary for the operation of transport systems such as roads, railways, airports, and ports. Supports the movement of people and goods, ensuring accessibility and connectivity. 2. Vehicles includes all forms of transport conveyance like cars, buses, trains, ships, and airplanes. Vehicles provide the actual means through which passengers and cargo are moved between places. 3. Propulsion systems concerns the technology and mechanisms used to move vehicles, example engines, electric motors, fuel systems. Propulsion systems define speed, efficiency, and environmental impact of the transport. 4. Operations encompasses the management and services facilitating the movement such as scheduling, ticketing, logistics, and regulatory controls. Ensures the effectiveness, safety, and regularity of the transport system. These elements form the foundation for the functioning, efficiency, and development of tourism transport systems. Which is the geographical subregion of the Asia and the Pacific region? 1. Oceania. 2. Caribbean. 3. Benelux. 4. Scandinavian. Answer 1. Oceania. Answer 1. The advent of jet engines and their use in 1950s for commercial air transport resulted in 1. Increased stiff competition. 2. Increase in the cost of travel. 3. Providing speed, safety and comfort. 4. Ensuring government regulations and control. Answer 3. Providing speed, safety and comfort. Which is not an example of enclave tourism that grew during the post-Second World War as a form of a full-fledged resort. 1. Club Mediterranean, 1955. 2. Club Accord, 1958. 3. Club Soleil, 1966. 4. Radisson Club, 1970. Answer 2. Club Accord, 1958. In which of the following food items minced meat was replaced by potatoes after its import in India? 1. Kachori. 2. Parantha. 3. Alupuri. 4. Samosa. Answer 4. Samosa. Answer 4. The National Monuments Authority, NMA, has been constituted to 1. Regulate development and construction activity in the vicinity of monuments that fall under the statutory provisions of the Amritsar Act. 2. See and regulate the administration of monuments. 3. Appoint an architect having special knowledge of Indian history and heritage. 4. Have a vigil on the activities of tourists visiting monuments. Answer 1. Regulate development and construction activity in the vicinity of monuments that fall under the statutory provisions of the Amritsar Act. In 1969, Aga Khan Palace was donated to the people of India by Aga Khan IV as a mark of respect to 1. Ashoka and his policy, 2. Akbar and his policy, 3. Jawaharlal Nehru and his policy, 4. Mahatma Gandhi and his policy. Answer 4. Mahatma Gandhi and his policy. The Narmada is the longest river in Gujarat. It rises from 1. Amarkantak Plateau, 2. Janpao Hills, 3. Aravali Hills, 4. Satpura Ranges. Answer 1. Amarkantak Plateau. Answer 1. Our mission is to represent, lead and serve the airline industry is the statement of 1. IATA, 2. PATA, 3. ICAO, 4. DGCA. Answer 1. IATA. Answer 1. The International Air Transport Association, IATA, was established in 1945 and currently is led by Director General and CEO Willie Walsh. Its famous tagline is, "Flying is the business of freedom." IATA is a global trade association representing over 350 airlines worldwide, focusing on safe, efficient, and secure air travel. It plays a key role in setting industry standards, ticketing, and baggage handling, and uses three-letter airport codes recognizable to passengers. The Pacific Asia Travel Association, PATA, established in 1951, is led by CEO Noor Ahmad Hamid. Celebrating its 75th anniversary with the theme, From Vision to Legacy, PATA promotes sustainable tourism development across the Asia-Pacific region. It supports cooperation among member countries to foster responsible growth in travel and tourism. The International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO, a specialized UN agency formed in 1944 with 193 member states, is headed by Secretary General Juan Carlos Salazar. Though it does not have a fixed tagline, ICAO is known for fostering safe, efficient, secure aviation. It sets global standards for civil aviation, air traffic control, and environmental protection, using four-letter airport codes to ensure safe and consistent air transport worldwide. India's Directorate General of Civil Aviation, DGCA, established in 1946, is led by Director General Vikram Dev Dutt. While it has no official tagline, its vision emphasizes safe and efficient air transportation in India. DGCA is the national civil aviation regulator responsible for licensing, safety oversight, investigation of aviation incidents, and implementation of international aviation regulations. Which oldest and continuously inhabited Indian city in the world was called the Ancient City, which Lord Buddha visited in 500 BC? 1. Kolkata, 2. Delhi, 3. Varanasi, 4. Prayagraj. Answer 3. Varanasi. Answer 3. Which amongst the following is not an aircraft manufacturer? 1. Airbus, 2. MC Donnell Douglas, 3. GMR, 4. Fokker. Answer 3. GMR. Answer 3. Tourism is one of the key employment-generating sectors globally. As per the Third Tourism Satellite Account, TSA, the estimated share of tourism jobs in India during 2020 to 21 was 1. 10.91%, 2. 12.91%, 3. 15.91%, 4. 18.91%. Answer 2. 12.91%. Whitney system of reservation was developed by the American Whitney Duplicating Check Company and is suitable for small to medium properties. Whitney slips used in this system are also known as 1. Shannon slips, 2. Sabre slips, 3. Bedroom journal, 4. WorldSpan slips. Answer 1. Shannon slips. Answer 1. Modern menus first appeared during the early 19th century in the restaurants of the Palais Royal. 1. Italian, 2. Russian, 3. Parisian, 4. American. Answer 3. Parisian. Answer 3. Which of the following is not a classification of hotels on the basis of clientele? 1. Suite, 2. Franchise, 3. Condominium, 4. Casino. Answer 2. Franchise. Answer 2. In which type of table service in food and beverage services, the presentation and service of food is done by waiting staff, using a spoon and fork, on a customer's plate, team food plates or dishes? 1. English, 2. American, 3. French, 4. Russian. Answer 1. English. Answer 1. Who authored the guidebook, The Grand Tour, in 1749 that gave a further boost to the educational tour and some intrepid travelers ventured as far as Egypt? 1. Inigo Jones, 2. Thomas Howard, 3. Benbowa, 4. Thomas Nugent. Answer 4. Thomas Nugent. Answer 4. In the chain of travel trade distribution, vertical integration does not include 1. Supplier, 2. Wholesaler, 3. Retailer, 4. Aggregator. Answer 4. Aggregator. Answer 4. Following factors encouraged the growth of the package holiday in Europe in the second half of the 20th century, except 1. Expansion of leisure time in the developed countries, 2. Increase in discretionary income in those countries, 3. Low costs of package holiday, both in themselves and in comparison to similar holidays in the home country, 4. Elimination of travel formalities. Answer 4. Elimination of travel formalities. The invention of coach in its most primitive form in the Hungarian town of Cox in the 15th century was facilitated with a daily service in Britain by the mid-1600s from 1. Oxford to Watford, 2. Guildford to London, 3. London to Oxford, 4. Hungerford to Enfield. Answer 3. London to Oxford. Answer. Many tourism and hospitality industry specialists believe that to compete effectively, hotels, resorts and cruise lines need seamless connectivity in their 1. Management information systems, 2. Market intelligence systems, 3. Market information systems, 4. Computer reservation systems. Answer 4. Computer reservation systems. A tourism hospitality company needs to study 5 types of general customer markets closely. Which one of the following is not the type of the general customer market? 1. Resellers, 2. NGOs, 3. Government, 4. International agency. Answer 2. NGOs. Answer 2. Tourism and hospitality firms should choose supporting products that are not easily matched by 1. Customers, 2. Channel partners, 3. Competitors, 4. Advertising agency. Answer 3. Competitors. Answer 3. Who among the following is not a part of the distribution channel? 1. Tour operator, 2. Travel agent, 3. Packaging firm, 4. Shipper. Answer 4. Shipper. Answer 4. One of the first public strategies on tourism and sustainability was formulated out of 1. The Globe 90 Conference in USA, 2. The Globe 90 Conference in Canada, 3. World Tourism Conference in Mexico, 4. World Tourism Conference in Switzerland. Answer 2. The Globe 90 Conference in Canada. Which one of the following provoked Rachel Carson, 1962, to raise the red flag for modern-day concern for the environment, in his book entitled Silent Spring, as the fundamental argument? 1. The massive urbanization and migration leading to climate change. 2. The pollution caused by the tourism industry. 3. The detrimental effects of pesticides on the sustainability of life. 4. The propulsion explosion or resource shortage. Answer 3. The detrimental effects of pesticides on the sustainability of life. In widely cited United Nations Human Development Index, HDI, development includes the following, excepts 1. Longevity, 2. Knowledge, 3. Income, 4. Happiness. Answer 4. Happiness. Answer 4. Which one of the following is not a producer organization? 1. WTTC, 2. IATA, 3. PATA, 4. BSTC. Answer 4. BSTC. Answer 4. Which of the following assumption does not hold good for the application of t-test? 1. Sampling distribution of _1_2 is normally distributed. 2. Each score of dependent variable occurs at random. 3. Samples are taken from population having identical variables. 4. Measurements are done in terms of the ordinal scale of measurement. Answer 4. Measurements are done in terms of the ordinal scale of measurement. Which one of the following statements is correct about descriptive research? 1. Describes characteristics of objects, people, groups, or organizations, tries to paint a picture of a given situation. 2. Clarifies ambiguous situations or discovers ideas that may be potential business opportunities. 3. Identifies cause and effect relationship. 4. Guides and refines subsequent research effects. Answer 1. Describes characteristics of objects, people, groups, or organizations, tries to paint a picture of a given situation. Which of the following establishes the ability of a measure to correlate with other standard measures of similar constructs? 1. Face validity. 2. Content validity. 3. Criterion validity. 4. Construct validity. Answer 3. Criterion validity. Answer. The approach to study human experiences, based on the idea that human experience itself is inherently subjective and determined by the context in which people live, is known as 1. Phenomenology, 2. Ethnography, 3. Grounded theory, 4. Case studies. Answer 1. Phenomenology. Answer 1. Which one of the following is not amongst the needs as per McLuhan's theory of needs? 1. Need for achievement. 2. Need for power. 3. Need for affiliation. 4. Need for esteem. Answer 4. Need for esteem. Answer 4. McLuhan's theory of needs, also known as the acquired needs theory, identifies 3 key motivational drivers that influence human behavior and work performance. Need for achievement, ENAC. Desire to excel, achieve goals, and succeed. People with high ENAC seek challenging but achievable tasks, prefer personal responsibility, and want feedback on their performance. Need for affiliation, NAF. Desire for friendly and close interpersonal relationships. Individuals with high NAF want to be liked, accepted, and have a strong need for social interaction. Need for power, NPOW. Desire to influence, control, or have impact on others. Those with high NPOW seek positions of leadership and like to be in charge. The theory proposes that these needs are learned from the environment and culture, and different individuals have different dominant needs. Understanding an individual's dominant need helps in motivating them effectively in organizations. This theory is practical for managers to design suitable motivational strategies for employees based on their dominant needs. When communication takes place among members of the same work group, members of groups at the same level, managers at the same levels, or any other horizontally equivalent works, it is described as 1. Lateral communication, 2. Upward communication, 3. Oral communication, 4. Downward communication. Answer 1. Lateral communication. Answer. Which of the following describes a positive feeling about a job, resulting from an evaluation of its characteristics? 1. Job involvement, 2. Organizational commitment, 3. Job satisfaction, 4. Employee engagement. Answer 3. Job satisfaction. Answer. A contract which can be set aside or repudiated at the option of the aggrieved party is 1. Voidable contract, 2. Void contract, 3. Valid contract, 4. Unenforceable contract. Answer 1. Voidable contract. Answer. Choose the correct statements from the following. A. Scatter plot shows relationship between two variables. B. A normal distribution curve depends on mean and standard deviation. C. The Kruskal-Wallis test is score-dependent statistic. D. Variation of samples mean from population mean is standard error of difference between two means. E. Z-score criteria is applicable to skewed deviation. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer 1. A. Scatter plot shows relationship between two variables. B. A normal distribution curve depends on mean and standard deviation. Following are the probability sampling techniques, excepts A. Judgmental sampling, B. Snowball sampling, C. Systematic sampling, D. Cluster sampling, E. Stratified random sampling. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer 1. A. Judgmental sampling. B. Snowball sampling. Following situations call for qualitative research, except A. When it is difficult to develop specific and actionable problem statements. B. When the research objective is to develop an understanding of some phenomena in great detail. C. When the research objective is to learn how a phenomena occurs in its natural setting. D. When a measure is formally to be validated to make sure it reliably captures the intended concept. E. When the purpose is to test hypothesis or specific research. Questions. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer 4. D. When a measure is formally to be validated to make sure it reliably captures the intended concept. E. When the purpose is to test hypothesis or specific research questions. The World Tourism Organization, WTO, Global Code of Ethics provides a framework designed to promote the following, except A. Responsible tourism, B. Sustainable tourism, C. Universally accessible tourism, D. Proper tourism, E. Social tourism. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer 4. D. Proper tourism. E. Social tourism. Environmental audits being conducted for tourism include A. Compliance audit, B. Activity audit, C. Manpower audit, D. Community audit. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer 2. A. Compliance audit. B. Activity audit. If the product concept passes the business test, it moves into a prototype. Restaurants can develop prototype of menu items, hotels build guest room prototype. Following are the criteria that require to be met to find the prototype. A. Consumers perceive it as having the key features described in the product concept statement. B. It performs well under normal use. C. Prototype is not limited to the care product. D. the company must decide whether it is right time to introduce the new product. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer 3. A. Consumers perceive it as having the key features described in the product concept statement. B. It performs well under normal use. Tourists are attracted to a certain destination that include various elements. Some of these attractions include A. Service, B. Product, C. Travel agents offer, D. Spatial patterns of world tourist activity. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer 4. A. Service, B. Product, C. Travel agents offer. The main elements of marketing program are described in terms of 4 Ps: product, price, promotion and place. These 4 Ps marketing approaches work well for goods, but additional Ps require attention in tourism business, which include A. People, B. Physical factors, C. Planning, D. Processes. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer 1. A. People, B. Physical factors, D. Processes. Which factors are not affecting cruise line package costs? A. Height of the cruise, B. Density of the ship, C. Position of port, D. Date, season of travel. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer 1. A. Height of the cruise, C. Position of port. Which were the innovative Travel-Easy concepts introduced by Thomas Cook for making travel easier? A. Traveler's check, B. Credit note, C. Circular note, D. Hotel coupon. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer 4. C. Circular note, D. Hotel coupon. Thank you for watching DKD Education. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Drop your thoughts in the comments, we'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more educational content.